Dun dun. Dun dun. Whew. I haven't made an adventure in a long time. Come on, Sonic. Yeah, I found Mario, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Whoa ho 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 ho. Whoa ho. Oh God. Cheeto Chester. I'm back. I am back. Where's where is Pac-Man? Well, Pac-Man is dead. What? Pac-Man is dead. You can't be serious. I'm serious. Ugh. Y'all killed him. You gave him brain damage. Why would you do that? He was my best friend. Ugh. Well, you're a bad guy. We're supposed to hurt you. I'll give you Cheetos. No. Ugh. Ah. Boing, 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 boing. Do what you say. You haven't seen the last of me. Cheeto gun. That ain't a Cheeto gun. Yeah, it's a real gun. Oh no. Why did you shoot Mario? No, you killed Mario. I'm mad now. You killed Mario. I had to. You didn't have to. I had to. That's it. That's it. I will be back. No, you won't, because next time I'll kill you. Mario. Mario! No. Will Mario be back? Hey guys, Cameron Corbett Cole here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not going to be making videos that much because I'm kind of sick. I'm sick. So I won't be making videos a lot. So that's the end of this video, guys. So bye.